Thanks, Denise. Now to football. Humber Lion marked the return of football to the Effortville Centre with a late 1-0 win over parish neighbours Vere United to record their fourth win of the Jamaica Premier League season. Vere conceded a penalty with seconds left in time added on, which Levon Williams converted to give them their third win in their last 5 games.
We got it the hard way. It wasn't the easiest of game. A Clarendon derby. We know Vere were going to come here and play some good attacking football, and we tried to repel them. We had a lot of possession today, and sometimes you only need one, and maybe you need it very late. We got it in time added on, but I think they put in a good shift. We got some chances that we should have converted that we didn't convert, but at least we gave the crowd something to go home and cheer about.
Well, pretty much the tactics was equal today. It was a derby day. The game had everything. It had drama. The referee had his hand full. I thought it was an evenly contested game. We're just unfortunate. It was 7 seconds to go, and we conceded a penalty. It's tough luck. I've never seen that in all my life. But, we'll have to continue to fight. Such is football.
Meanwhile, Daniel Green is the league's new leading goal scorer as his double strike helped Mount Pleasant thump Tivoli Gardens 4-1 at Draxall. Green goals came in the 16th and 62nd minutes. Javante Stewart also got in on the action with 2 goals, finding the back of the net in minutes 76 and 86. Tivoli's consolation came from Warner Brown in the 54th minute. And overseas, Waterhouse ended the CONCACAF Caribbean Club Championships in 4th spot after losing on penalties to Fega Real FC in the 3rd place playoff earlier today. Mara Gomez opened the scoring for Fega Real after just 7 minutes, a lead they took to the halftime break. 4 minutes after the resumption, Cardell Benbow headed in to draw Waterhouse level in the 49th. With no more goals in regulation time, the game was decided from the penalty spot, with only Benbow converting. Shaquille Bradford, Keith Simpson and Stephen Williams all failed to score, giving Fega Real a 3-1 win. At sports time in the final, Cibao FC and Violette were locked at 0-0.